So for the third part, find the equation of locus of the curve by the midpoint, traced by the midpoint QR as p varies. So we know that this tangent here, I'm not sure how it looks like, but like if we were to use, this is a tangent now, okay, this tangent here, this is Q and this is R. With different P, what you get is, so this is Q over here, this is R, this would be 0, R is actually 0, 3 over P, and Q would just be 3P squared, just erase this, Q, 3P squared, comma 0, okay? So what we need to do here is essentially find the midpoint. The midpoint here, okay, will just be midpoint. The formula will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, right? So in this case here, you just use in terms of p here. So the midpoint here will be 0 plus 3p squared divided by 2, comma 3 over p plus 0 divided by 2. So this will just give us 3 over 2p squared and 3 over 2p. Okay, so x, this parametric equation is 3 over 2p, this is x, right? And y will just be 3 over 2p. So if you want to change this to in terms of Cartesian, we need to get rid of the p. So from here, make p the subject, so it's 3 over 2y. This is something which we have done quite often in our classes, right? So you just make p disappear. So one of the easiest way is just to make p the subject. So this p here is the easiest. As you could see that this p is a Lone Ranger here. So you just let p be this expression here. So p, 3 over 2, is sub 1 into 2. Okay, there'll be x equals to 3 over 2, 3 over 2y squared. So key in calculator, you will get 3 over 2, 3 over 2, bracket 3 over 2 square. Okay, then this will be 27 over 8. X equals to 27 over 8 y square. So this is the Cartesian equation. So what does this mean? It means that if you were to plot this equation in, so let me show you. Do they want it in terms of y? So this is the Cartesian equation. Okay, so if we were to plot this in, 27 over 8x, 8y square. Okay. It will be the tangent, it will be essentially the midpoint where they meet. Alright, so let me show you. So as you can see, this is a parametric equation here. This tangent equation, this is the point here as p varies, and that will give us the equation of this tangent here. So if I were to switch this off, we're going to find the midpoint of this point here and this one. Of course, this point will not be the midpoint, right? The midpoint is actually here. So if you think about it, is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, which will give us a midpoint there. Then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So as we vary, this will be our midpoint, okay, between the two intercepts here. Now what it does with our Cartesian equation is when we plot it out, this equation here, it would actually, you look at the point, it will just follow, it will follow this curve here. Alright, so that's how we actually understand the equation that we're dealing with. So if any question or comments, please do let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.